In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your first web app with Hostinger Horizons, step by step. If you've ever thought a website or web application takes months to complete, this walkthrough will change your mind. With the right AI tool and the right prompts, you can go from idea to a launch-ready web app in just minutes. We'll do it in 4 simple stages. Create your account, generate a solid product requirements document, build and refine the app, and finally publish it to your own domain. First, create an account with Hostinger Horizons. Sign up for free and you'll land in the Horizons dashboard. This is where you chat with the AI and describe what you want to build. Avoid sending a quick one-liner like make a finance tracker. That usually produces something generic. Instead, you'll get much better results by providing a product requirement document, or PRD. A PRD outlines how the app should look, which features it needs, and how everything should work together. To draft that quickly, use a prepared prompt in any AI chatbot, such as ChatGPT. Before you run it, add 3 basics to the prompt: your app's core idea, your preferred app name, and the build type, which in our case is a web app. Paste the complete prompt into the chatbot and let it generate the PRD. Review it for clarity and specificity, then copy the entire document. Now, return to Hostinger Horizons and paste the PRD into the chat. The AI may ask a few setup questions, like your currency and date format. Answer those, and you'll see the interface split. Chat on the left and a live preview on the right. After phase 1, check that core flows work. Create a test account to confirm, sign up, and log in, then open the data tab to see how entries are stored. If you spot a visual glitch, say duplicate headers, describe the issue in plain language in the chat and ask the AI to fix it. You can even upload a screenshot and Horizons will analyze it and apply a fix. Continue through the remaining build phases the same way. Review, test, and refine. Finally, publish your app. Click Publish, choose a plan that fits your needs, complete checkout, and then hit Publish Changes. Open your live site and test the key actions again to be sure everything works. To replace the temporary URL with a clean professional address, select Connect to a custom domain, add the name you want, and follow the prompts. Refresh your site and you'll see the updated domain. That's it. You've built and launched a full web application in minutes with Hostinger Horizons. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.